Welcome back to the GURPS protocol. It's your host, Diceyed. I'm glad to be back after a lot of technical issues. I mean a lot. Like, holy crap, a lot. Anyway, let's just get right into it. Let's talk about tech levels. In such an open-ended tabletop system like GURPS, you need to have a vast amount of technology ages. This is where tech levels come in. Starting at TL0, the beginning of technology of human society, the Stone Age, where the most fantastic technology was primitive agricultural. Going through them like the Bronze Age, Iron Age, Medieval, Age of Sail, Industrial Revolution, Mechanical Age, Nuclear Age, Digital Age, Microtech Age, the age we're technically in roughly in terms of timeline-wise, Robotics Age, Age of Exotic Matter. Then finally the tech level 12+, whatever the GM likes. So there's a lot of nuances when it comes to tech levels. For example, each tech has 4 fields of innovation: transportation, weapons, power, biotech/medical. Individuals, groups, societies, countries, the whole world could all have different types of tech level, or even different levels based on the fields. A brilliant inventor could be a tech level above their societal. A lost tribe could be behind other nations. And let's talk about steampunk. Heck yeah, one of my favorite genres. This is a form of divergent technologies, where it is marked as tech level 5, the Industrial Revolution, +1 as a divergent. What this means is, at the core of the technology, it maintains a level 5, while many new technologies from 6 are made like they were in 5. Now mind you, this effectively treats the tech level as 6. A character's tech level could help cover how one uses the tools around them. A higher tech level character will naturally have the ability to understand earlier technologies. However, this may not always be the case. While someone from the Nuclear Age could easily understand how to use a Bronze Age weapon, it'd probably take them longer to understand a steam engine or animal husbandry. But as for the GURPS books, they made it very simple to split them across 3 books. Fantasy Past Tech Level 0 to Tech Level 4 is the GURPS Low Tech book. Modern, which is Tech Level 5 through early Tech Level 8, is called GURPS High Tech. Okay, honestly, that one is a little confusing to beginners. That we normally wouldn't think high tech, but that's how the books are written. Then finally, Space and Future is Tech Level 8 and beyond, which is GURPS Ultra Tech. These 3 books are super fun for all kinds of technology. But for now, I think this pretty well sums it up. Thank you guys so much for watching this short little video. It's not much, but I figured this was a good starting point to get back into. Thank you guys so much, and see you next time.